This black dual-fuel range cooker from Newworld is perfect if you're looking for a stylish model with fantastic features to help you create amazing dishes. It has 3 cavities, including a separate grill and 2 fan ovens. The main fan oven has a 58-litre capacity and the second one has an 86-litre capacity, so there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 5 gas burners on the hob for fast and precise cooking. They're surrounded by cast iron pan supports, which can hold pots and pans of various sizes for creative chefs who need plenty of extra space. This model has a wok burner, which is perfect for cooking oriental dishes. The large ring delivers an intense, concentrated, powerful flame to the bottom of your pans for faster, even cooking. So, you'll be able to create delicious dishes like a professional in no time. The electric fan in the main cavity creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the oven. It circulates hot air from the back of the cavity and releases it through several vents to spread heat quickly throughout the oven. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf. And because the hot air is constantly moving, flavours won't transfer, so you can make a variety of dishes at the same time. If you're looking for a stylish range cooker with fantastic features to help you create amazing dishes, this black model from Newworld is the perfect choice.